Hello everyone, so today we're gonna make creamy chicken chop spaghetti. So the ingredients that we need will be 2 chicken chops marinated overnight with 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns pounded, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of marjoram, and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. And here are some cooked spaghetti, half a large onion finely chopped, 125 milliliters of fresh full cream milk, 4 large tablespoons of cream cheese mixed with 1 teaspoon of marjoram, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder with some salt. So the salt you can adjust to your taste according to how salty you would like your spaghetti to be. So now let's get down to the cooking of the sauce. Alright, so in a pan we need to heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter until the butter and the olive oil starts to boil. Okay, so now we insert our chopped onions. Let it stir fry by itself for about 2 minutes until the onions starting to brown. So now that the onion has browned, now we can insert our mixture of cream cheese and our herbs into the onion. So give it a good stir. Now you can insert your milk. Give it another good stir and let it simmer with the cover on for about 5 minutes on low heat. 5 minutes has gone by, so now we check our consistency of the sauce. So it seems rather thick, so we can add on 100 milliliter of water, half a teaspoon of salt, stir it. This is just to make sure that none of the sauce are stuck to the pan or burnt. Creamy yet not too watery pasta sauce. Give it a good stir and we can turn the stove off now. Next is we will want to add in the cooked spaghetti. Insert our cooked spaghetti. Give it a good stir to make sure that the sauce covers all of the spaghetti. Now it may seem a little bit watery, but the spaghetti will soak up all the sauce and it will still be very creamy and flavorful as well. Let the spaghetti to rest here while we prepare the chicken chop. For the chicken, heat up about 10 tablespoons of oil to deep fry the chicken. So the chicken, you do not have to put any sort of flour or egg to deep fry the chicken. You just have to deep fry the chicken just as it is marinated. Now that the oil is heated up, we can insert our chicken. Fry on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so this is our fried chicken. We're gonna chop them into smaller pieces before we plate them onto our spaghetti. Right, so here you go. This is our creamy chicken chop spaghetti.